Welcome to week 6 in CAD 298. We are working in MicroStation again today. And last week we worked with modifying tools and manipulating tools is what they called it. Today this is just a continuation. We're going to get back into modifying tools. You got a little bit of work in the book this week, but I've got project 6A on here as well. And I want to click on it. And we're getting ready to get into MicroStation again, and we're going to use some of these other modifying tools that we didn't use. And again, I'm used to calling them modifying tools, but MicroStation, Bentley calls some of the modifying tools manipulation tools, what I call modify. But you'll notice up here manipulations move, copy, rotate, and that's fair. Modifies like your trim, break, radius, fillets, things of that sort. So that's cool too. So we're going to go and we're going to get into the modifying side this time. Now here's trim the two lines indicated. There are several different ways to trim, and I'll show you all of the methods. The easiest one is hit trim multiple and use this right here, trim. Click on the object and then just click on what you don't want. That's the easiest method. I will undo it up here at the top. And there's also some of these other ones like trim to intersection. If you click on this, all you have to do is click again. Let's see. You got to click here. Click on the side you want to keep. There you go. And it does it for you automatically. You also have trim to element, and that's when you click this and see how it makes that line. All you have to do is tell it what line you're wanting to trim to. Like click on this one. You see how it cut this side out? Now if you want to do it again, I'd have to click on that line, and I'd click on this one, and it would cut it off at that intersection. Just like that. Those are the different ways you can trim. So you choose the best method. I think trim multiple is so much easier. Break the image at point. We do have that as well. If you come up here, that's a delete element there, but you got a break element. And you've got different options in here: break by 2 points, break by point, break by dragging line, break by elements. I want to do the break by point. And you just come in here and it says element, identify the element, which I want to put right there. And I just identify the element. Now I want to break the point, and it'll be right there. And now if I right click and hit element selection, you notice how now it's two different segments. And if you get something selected, you want to clear that, all you have to do is come up here and hit clear, and it clears that element selection for you. And you can see that clear. Now we come on down to the next one. Alright, now I want to break at 2 points indicated. And if you don't have your object snap toolbar on, you can actually come up here and type in tool boxes, and actually brought it up before I had it completely wrote in. And you can slide down here and you're going to see snap mode. Make sure it's check marked and he'll bring up this toolbar for you. And when you do this, come up here to break elements. I want to do, if you hover over to tell you what it is, break by 2 points, click on it. I come down here and we'll turn on my intersection snap. Catch that point, and you just come over here, make sure the intersection snaps on again, right there, and you've broke it at 2 points. The next one's extend the line, indicate to the green line. All you have to do is just go up here to trim multiple, and right here it is. You can see it. It's going to be this extend. You click on the line you want to shoot to, and then come over here and click on the line and right click that you want to go on out. Now let's say I want to trim this up. Again, remember, trim multiple is the best thing to use here. So click on both of those. Oh, went the wrong way. Trim multiple, I catch that and that. Oh, it trimmed the wrong one again. Trim multiple, you catch that and then click off that. So that just kind of helps you with practice on that. Down here, we're going to add a 1-inch circular fillet on all 4 corners. So up here is your fillet command in your modify. And I want to do circular fillet. And this one says it wants a no, wants a 1 inch. So type in 1. You just click on this to this, this to this, and I'm just regular left clicking with my mouse. Now, let's say for instance, I want to trim some of this stuff out. I just go to this, I click on that, I come over here and click that. Click that. Oh, I goofed that up. So let's go back, fill it, catch that, get rid of that. Right click, click that, get rid of that. Right click, click that, get rid of that. Right click. And that's how you would do that. Add a 5-inch parabolic fillet to the two lines. Again, you come up here to fillet, and there's that parabolical fillet. And they're wanting you to put a 5-inch. So put 5, click on one side and to the other. There that is. Right click. Oh, my bad. Let's go up there and do that again. 5-inch, boom, to boom, click. Regular left click. Let's go in there and trim it out. So I want to keep that and get rid of that. And there it is. I right click to enter it. Now we have use the align tool to line up the rectangles. And let's see if we can find the alignment here. It's actually in the manipulate. There we go. Align elements to edge. And all I have to do is click on this, then click these, and they'll follow suit. And click with my left button. And then right click to enter. The next one is add a 3-inch by 3-inch chamfer. So you go right back up here and into this little modify tab up here, and right here's your construct chamfer, and it was 3 by 3. That makes a 45 degree. You just click there, put your chamfer on there. So really nothing in here is that bad. I mean, it's all pretty straightforward, pretty simple. It's just going to take you a little bit of practice to get used to it. But if you need my help with any of this, just please let me know.